In the step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to add videos in Framer. Framer is a very handy tool, especially when you want to input videos in your projects. So, let's dive right into the process. First, you need to log into your account and navigate to the Framer tool. Framer is an easy-to-operate, user-centric tool that enables you to add videos to your projects with minimal hassle. Next up, your task is to hunt for the Insert button and click on it. This will present to you a host of choices for adding various forms of media to your project. Do keep a sharp lookout for this button as it sets the ball rolling for this task. Once you've succeeded in clicking the Insert button, you now have to direct your attention towards the Media option. The Media button is your pathway to adding any sort of media files, ranging from images, audios, to, yes, you guessed right, videos. Therefore, click on the Media button and proceed forward. The moment you've clicked on Media, you are presented with another set of choices. Here, you should direct your attention towards the Video button. This button specifically stands for uploading videos in your projects. Hence, without wasting any time, go ahead and click on this Video button. The next step is to adjust the file. Here, you have the opportunity of deciding the size, dimension, and positioning of the video file that shall be uploaded. You can drag the corners of the selected space to make these adjustments. Once you have made the desired adjustments, the next destination is to select the video. Now that all the necessary adjustments have been made, it's time to select the video you want to upload. Make the selection and gear up to upload the selected video. As you've selected the video, it's time to upload it. To do so, look for the Upload button and click on it. This commences the process of uploading the video. While the video is being uploaded, you are presented with two choices: Choose File or URL. If you have the video saved locally on your device, click on Choose File. This will allow you to navigate through your device and select the video file you wish to upload. On the other hand, if you have a URL of the video, you can simply paste it in the provided field. To do this, after clicking on URL, find the space to paste the URL, then paste the exact URL of the video. And there you have it. You've successfully added a video in Framer following these detailed steps. With this, your project will come alive with the video of your choice. Happy framing!